Coastal decor has made a big splash this summer, and I, for one, am not immune to its charms. I've been doing lots of coastal DIYs, and today I'll be attempting this coastal wreath in a nailed it or failed it challenge. Welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by today. This is JunkerNecker and my name is Leah. Here on my channel, I love creating budget decor by thrifting, upcycling, and trash to treasure projects. Today, I'll be attempting a dupe of this beautiful Pottery Barn coastal wreath that retails for $89, but you can catch it on sale for $84.50 right now. The wreath that I'm using today was a roadside find, and it's a little bit warped, but I don't mind. I think it'll be just right for this project. I just hung it on a coat hanger, put that coat hanger on another one, and hung it on my back deck to spray paint it. Now I want to only spray paint lightly to give it sort of a beechwood or driftwood look. It doesn't need to be completely covered in white. I'm using this Rust-Oleum automotive enamel, and it works out great for all my projects, and it was only $1.99 at Ollie's. Now here's another look at their wreath, and here's a look at mine. Fairly close, I would say. Before I go any further, I'd like to mention that this is part of the Nailed It or Failed It challenge, hosted by two wonderful ladies, Carrie of Mama Dares to DIY and Keisha of Sweet Urban Rose. Links to their channels and a link to this challenge are in the descriptions. I mixed up a batch of my salt dough to make some starfish. Now, since I want them a uniform shape, I am cutting them out with a star-shaped cookie cutter. First 3 and then 2 more after I squish it together and start over. Now, to make it look more like a starfish instead of a star, I'm just pinching, pulling, and pressing till I get the shape that I want. I used 1/4 of my recipe for these. I'll link my recipe for salt dough and the baking time in the e-cards above if you want to check that out. I'll be painting the starfish using the colors Key West and White from Apple Barrel. Now first I want to start off with just Key West. After I paint one star with that, I'll add a little bit of white to the mixture. And then before I do the next one, I'll add a little more white. So that gives the graduated colors going on the wreath. I'll start with the lightest one on the top and go down to the darkest at the bottom. If you're enjoying this trend of coastal decor as much as I am, add in your comment below each vibes. Now here is where I'm about to start the second one. You see I'm just adding a little white and mixing it. Once I have them all painted, I'll show you the difference in the color with the lightest and the darkest side by side. But this one is the lightest blue. I need to mention that I got the textured look on these starfish by just using a fork. I think these turned out really cute. And there you go, you see the lightest at the top, darkest at the bottom. Just a little hint of difference in the color. Now it's time to assemble the decorations onto the wreath, and I'm starting with the star of the show, which is the starfish. Yeah, first one out of the gate, I broke the tweezers out of my finger. So here I am going at it a little more carefully. But I am putting the glue on pretty heavy so it will drip down and grab on to that grapevine wreath. Next, I'm going to be adding some shells and these little glass bubbly things. Inspiration Piece had turquoise, but only had one of those. And I tried painting the backs of some clear glass, but that didn't quite work. The acrylic paint was peeling off. But I'm going to make do with what I have. And I think it turns out really great in the end, so stick around. I'm just going around and gluing the shells on first, spreading them out depending on size and color, and then I added the glass baubles. There you go, there's my wreath all finished. I'm so happy with it. I think it turned out fantastic. So, do you think I nailed it or failed it? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I do appreciate you taking a few minutes of your day to support my channel. And if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads. Now go and watch the Nailed It or Failed It playlist for tons of crafty inspiration.